Lord, babalik tayo sa loob ng church. Habang ang mga pastors ay magmi-meeting.
Abba, we thank you for this night and this offering, so Lord, na binibigay po namin sa inyo. We are expecting that you already answered our request. Thank you, Jesus. Let's all shout,